Chinese government is carrying a campaign of threats and intimidation against Lithuanian people.
Lithuania, a democracy that knows only too well what it is like to live under the jackboot of oppressive dictatorial communist government.
Lithuania has boldly supported democracy and human rights, from welcoming those fleeing Hong Kong to calling out abuses in the Uyghur region.
Lithuania has also dared to leave the Beijing 17+1 initiative and welcomed the opening of a new Taiwan representative office in Vilnius.
Since then, the Chinese government has blocked Lithuanian exports, while the party-state official media has threatened Lithuania that it will pay the price for its actions.
Once again, the Chinese government is using its economic might to coerce smaller states into acquiescence.
By bullying Lithuania, Beijing hopes to send a message to democracies across the world.
The only way to stop a bully is to stand up to it.
We call on our governments to stand shoulder to shoulder with the Lithuanian people.
If Lithuania is punished by Beijing, its democratic allies across the world must be ready to assist.
We also state our solidarity with the people of Taiwan.
Taiwan has an important role to play within the international community.
And all states have the right to establish relations with Taiwan as they see fit.
We commend the courage of the Lithuanian and Taiwanese people, and we call for democratic states everywhere to take a united stand against Beijing's coercive diplomacy.
It is time to stand with Lithuania. It is time to stand with Taiwan.